Eureka P7 ceilings installation video. Remember to use safety equipment for working at heights such as helmet, gloves, harness, lifeline, and wooden planks. How to install a Plycem Eureka P7 corrugated roof. Step 1. Place the Eureka P7 corrugated roof covering on a properly squared and plumbed structure made of wood or metal, with supports according to the size of the sheet and the roof slope. Step 2. Installation of Eureka P7 corrugated boards. Draw the starting line of the roof from the eave line, considering the level of the fascia with its structure. If the roof has a rain gutter, leave a 10 cm overhang, and if the roof has a free fall, leave a maximum overhang of 30 cm. Subtract from the first purlin spacing the distance of the overhang of the corrugated board considered at the eave. The distance between the other purlins will depend on the slope of the roof and the length of the roof panel. We start the installation of the P7 corrugated boards. Step 3. Temporary support hooks. Use hooks to support the boards temporarily before fixing with screws or spans. Place 2 hooks per board on slopes less than 27% in the first row, or 2 hooks on all boards on roofs with slopes greater than 27%. Step 4. Fastening with screws or threaded hooks. Fasten each board sheet with 2 screws located at the first and the fourth ridge respectively as shown. Use a 10 cm long hex screw for metal or wood structure with a wide rubber washer. Place it perpendicular to the plane of the roof without over-tightening at the end. You can also use a threaded hook by pre-drilling a larger diameter hole. Step 5. Side overlap. When attaching the next sheet, leave a side overlap between the roof sheets of 5 cm as shown. The board should be blunted at 2 diagonally opposite corners to avoid overlapping at the joints of 4 sheets. This cut should be made with a saw or hand saw and should be approximately 5 cm by 14 cm. Or 5 cm by 20 cm, depending on the overlap between panels. Step 6. Second row of board and longitudinal overlap. Never walk directly on the P7 roof deck. Use wood planks with cross slats for walking. Install the corrugated boards from left to right or vice versa, or from bottom to top. Check the prevailing wind direction to determine the direction of board fastening. Maintain the line between rows of boards using the level string. For slopes less than 27%, consider a longitudinal overlap of 20 centimeters, and for slopes greater than or equal to 27%, consider overlaps of 14 centimeters. The minimum slope allowed is 12%. Step 7. Complementary accessories. Once the roof is finished, proceed to fix the ridge tiles or trestles and other accessories, maintaining the overlaps between them. See complete installation guide at www.plycem.com.